The Bosch GOP 300 CE is an extremely versatile multi-cutter power tool that allows you to solve virtually any cutting, sanding or scraping problem. The motor unit can be fitted with a wide variety of different blades to work on hard and softwood, plastics, laminates, sheets, wall and floor tiles, carpets, non-ferrous metals, insulation, and it will also sand and scrape as well. The blades on this tool don't spin, they oscillate, so it's very safe to use and there's little chance of any kickback. The big advantage of the GOP 300 is that the blades can be changed without the need for any tools. This SDS quick locking system is the fastest on the market. To change a blade, just open the latch, and this requires considerably less force than competing models, fit the blade, and then close the latch to finally secure. Having the latch on the side eliminates the risk of trapping your thumb that you get with some other multi-tools. The powerful 300-watt motor is housed in a very robust body shell with soft rubber grips, making it very comfortable to hold and use. The grip circumference of just 175mm is actually the smallest on the corded market, and it weighs 1.6 kilograms, so it's light enough to access even the most awkward of work areas. The switch is easily accessible, and the variable speed control gives a range from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations a minute. This oscillation is only 1.4 degrees either side of the central position, but this is enough to provide fast and efficient cutting. Constant power electronics ensure the maximum revs are maintained even under load, and this is a real advantage for cutting applications that require high speed. For maintenance, the carbon brushes are easily accessible here should they ever need to be changed, and the tool is available in either 240 or 110 volt options. The cable enters the body via a ball and socket joint to prevent cable strain. This also makes it easier to orientate the tool in any direction. The 12-point mounting system means that the accessories can be positioned every 30 degrees within a 240 degree range, making it even easier to get into any work position. The depressed centre of the tooling allows you to work with it flush on the surface. The standard kit consists of the motor unit, a segment blade, a straight plunge blade, the soft sanding pad and 5 sanding sheets, all housed in an L-box for maximum protection, although there may be different bundle accessory deals from time to time. The standard straight plunge blade, AIZ28EB, allows you to make deep plunge cuts in wood, as for instance for cutouts in floorboards and decking. It will also cut non-ferrous metals such as pipes and non-hardened nails and screws. And plastics are no problem for this blade either. The ACZ85EB segment blade is perfect for cutting door frames and architraves to length when fitting laminate flooring. Just use an offcut of the laminate to act as a spacer when you make the cut. You can also use it for cutting the laminate itself. And the same blade will also cut plastics such as pipes and thin metal sections. The supplied sanding pad allows for quick smoothing and removal of stain or paint on wood. The delta-shaped head allows you to get into hard-to-access areas. And because the head oscillates rather than orbits, it can be used right up into a corner without the tool bumping. You can use it for cleaning up rusty metal surfaces as well. There's a further range of optional accessories that offer cutting solutions for a host of other applications. Here are just a few of them. The AV70 RT 3 Max grout remover will remove grout and adhesive even in the most inaccessible corners. It's also suitable for cutting recesses in porous concrete blocks and other abrasive materials. The bimetal serrated blade ACZ100 SWB is particularly suitable for fast, clean and precise cutting of soft materials, carpet and vinyl flooring. Insulation. You can even cut lead with it. For routing out smaller joints on wall and floor tiles, use the ACZ 85RT segment saw blade. This will also cut the tiles themselves and chase out grooves in soft concrete blocks. The ABZ 78RT is perfect for removing tile and carpet adhesive, cement and even for rasping wood. Use the ATZ 52SC scraper for removing mortar, tile adhesive and concrete residues, and also for scraping back glued joints. The AIZ 28SC is designed for cutting soft expansion joints or for removing window putty, mastic or even cutting insulation materials. The bimetal AOI 85EB segment saw blade will cut abrasive materials such as plasterboard and aluminium, and it can also be used on a variety of laminate materials. The AIZ 32BB works really well for plunge cutting in solid wood or laminate panels. You can use it for cutting recesses in furniture for sockets and for flush cutting wooden components such as tenons and dowels. The narrow AIZ 10EC plunge blade makes short work of cuts in softwood and for making recesses and housings for locks or hinges. Finally, in this quick review of the cutting blades, we have the AIZ 20AB, which can be used for such diverse jobs as flush cutting nails and plunge cuts in plasterboard, as well as trimming back pipes. Although the accessories are all available singly, there are also specialist kits available for particular applications. So that's the GOP 300CE, a truly versatile tool which you can team with a huge range of accessories to cover virtually any cutting application. And don't forget to register the tool online to extend the warranty to a full 3 years. And why not join the Bosch Bob community to get even more feedback from online professional users. The Bosch GOP 300CE.